Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, today is our fourth lecture of class 4. The subject is maths, and today we will learn how to solve the exercise number 4 to 8 of unit number 2, and we will in this lecture we will learn exercise number 4 to exercise number 8. So in the previous lecture you have done the exercise number 1 to 3. Hope you have done at homes. So the question is, put commas according to the Pakistani place value chart and write in words. Students, what is Pakistani place value chart? So let's start. What is this? Students, I have written here Pakistani place value chart. So for example, we have a number, any number we can take 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 4, 7, 2 and 5. Students, the number is of 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This number is the 9-digit number. Students, this is this number can be read as 64 crore 338 lakh 94,725. So how we have written this number in words? We can divide. Students, we can divide this number, that is divide the digit of the number into groups. So can we write in the number in this way? 64 crore 38 lakhs 94,000 and 725. We can read this number in this form. Students, we have to divide this number into groups. First of all, we can divide in this way: 64 crore. This is the one group. 38 lakh is another group. 94,000 is another group. One group, second group, and this is the third group, and in the last 775, this is the fourth group. So students, we can write this number in this way. For example, 64 crore, we can write in this way: 64 38 90 38 94 725. If I grouped these number in this way, have you seen, students? 64 crore 38 lakh 94,000 and 725. We have grouped them. So this is the, if I start from the right side, here is a number 725. Students, this is the ones group. 725 is the 3-digit number This is the, if I start from the right side, this is the first, and this is the 2-digit number. These are also 2, and this is also the 2-digit number group. So this, how can I divide the digit of the number or group there together? So first, in 3-digit, that is from the right. This is the 3-digit, this is the 2, this is 2 also, and this is also 2-digit number. So if we can call it ones. After that, we can call it 1000. Student, this is the ones, this is the 1000, not 100, not tens. In fact, this is the 1000 because this is 94,000, and this is the 725. This is the ones group, this is the 1000 groups. And what is this? This is lakhs, 38 lakhs, and this is 64 crore. This is the group of crores. So we can easily understand. First of all, we divide into group in this way. Then we can easily understand what is the name of the group. 64 crore, 38 lakhs, 94,000 and 725. Students, after this group is the ones group, this group is the 1000 group, because it consists of 2-digit number, it consists of 3-digit number. This is ones group. It consists of 2-digit number. This is the 1000 group. And lakhs group is also consists the 2-digit number, and crore group is also the 2-digit number. This if I put the commas here, students, I have written the number. If I put the commas here, for example, after 64 we put the comma, after 38 we also put the comma, after 94 also. So I can write it as this number. Commas separate the crore from the lakhs. This comma separate the crore from the lakhs. This comma separate the 1000 from the separate the lakhs from 1000. In this way, this comma separate the 1000 from the ones. So in this way, students, comma separate the crore from the lakhs. So that in this way we can easily understand what is the word actually represent. Which word is this? Now we have the question. Students, in this way it is very easy to learn. It is very easy to read this number. We can read 64 crore, 38 lakh, 94,000 and 725. So this will be very easy if you separate the number, if you group the digit and divide into 4. Crore, lakhs, 1000 and ones. Now we have the question number 1. So students, this is the first question of exercise number 4. How can we solve this question? We can divide into groups. For example, if I start from the right side, I can divide in this way, as I have told you. This is the first group. This is called ones group. This is the second, third, and fourth. So if I call this group as ones, then it will be the 1000. As I have told you, this is the ones group. This is the 1000. This is the lakhs, and this will be the crore. So we can write in this way: 5. We can put commas as well also. 5 crores, 64 lakh 88,000 and 4, just 4. So this is we can write in the as the number name, and we can also put the commas here. If I need to put the comma here, how can I put the comma? Let's start 5, 67 lakh 88,000 and 4. So in this way the number can easily able to read 5 crore 67 lakh 88,000 and 4. So this is the question which has solved in this way. You also have to solve in this way. First of all, you put the commas in between the digits, and afterward you will write in the words form. Okay students, so the exercise number 4, there is I have solved the second question, and you have to solve the question number 3 and question number 4 in the same method. So now we will start the exercise number 5. Put the appropriate sign less than, equal or greater than. So students, this exercise you can also do by yourself, because I have already told you about the comparing of number in the previous lectures. How can you compare? When you will see the previous lecture, you will be able to solve the numbers. Okay students, and same the exercise number 6, arrange each set in ascending order. So this is the ascending order, mean you have to write from smallest to the highest number. So in this way you can arrange the number. I have told in the previous lecture about the ascending and descending order also in the very detailed. So next is the exercise number 7. Exercise number 7, arrange in column and find the sum of each of the following sets of number. Students, it is so easy because this is the question of addition. So you must be done by yourself. You have to write the first number in this way. 8, 9, 4, 6, 7 plus 10 to 32. This is the question, and you have to just add the question in this way. This is the 6-digit number, and what about this? This is the 5-digit number. So you will have to write from the right side, not in this side. You have to write 2, 3. The digit will come from the down of the digit 2, 0, 1, and here will be nothing. So you have to put 0 here. So in this way you can add the question. For example, 9 is here. 9 will be, because 6 and 3 is the 9. 6, 9, 9 and 4. So this will be the answer. So students, listen. The exercise number 7 is so easy. In this way, the exercise number 8. Work out the word problem. Work out the word problem. The question number 1, from the question number 1 to the question number 10, it's all question is the addition question or the addition question. For example, the price of a return ticket from Karachi to New York on Flyaway Airlines is rupees 105 and 225. I want to explain on the board. Of a return ticket from Karachi to New York is rupees. In this way you can write price of return ticket from Karachi to New York is equal to 225. In this way, the price of the Swallow Airways is 40. We can write here Airways fare for the same route is more. How many more? Rupees 46,775 rupees more. So what we have to find? We have to find what is the price of Swallow Airways ticket. We have to find the price of Swallow Airways ticket. The price of the ticket from Karachi to New York by the Flyaway Airlines. This is the price of Flyaway Airlines. Flyaway Airlines price of ticket is 105,225. But the Swallow Airways ticket is more than this. More than this. How many more this? 46,775. And then what will be the price of Swallow Airways ticket? Because it is not the price of Swallow Airways ticket. Its price is more than this price. This more than the price of this ticket. So we have to add the number. We can write here price of the Swallow Airways, because it is more than this, so we have to add this number. 105,225 plus rupees 46,775. When we add this number, students, we get the value. In this way you will add, for example, we have add here 105,225, and we will start from the right side, not in this side. 5,7,7,6,4, and here we can put the 0. So this will be 10 carry, and this also will be the 10 carry, and this also will be the 10 carry again. 5, 6, 6, 12, 1 carry, 5 and 1. So this will be the actual price of the Swallow Airways. We can write 2,000 just. Okay. So why we add the numbers? Because this is not the price of Swallow Airways ticket. This is just the number which is more than the price of this number. So if I find out the price of Swallow Airways ticket, so we have to add these both numbers. So I have added and I get the answer 52,000 just. Okay, students, in this way. The next questions, there are 397,848 men, 274,398 women, and 432,786 children in Greenwood village. So we have the number of men and the number of children and the number of women. So what is the total amount, population of the village? So we have to find out the total amount of the village, total population of the village. So what we can do? Yes, we have to add all these numbers. So this is too much easy questions. And all these questions, students, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are also you can do by yourself, because these all questions are the addition. So I have given a clue, because all these questions you have to add the values. Okay students, so now we have done the exercise number 8, exercise from the exercise number 4 to from exercise number 8. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will start from the exercise number 9. Your homework, practice of exercise number 4 to 8 of unit number 2. Okay students, now we have done the exercise unit number 2, exercise number 4 to 8. Students, you must have to do practice at your homes, and I hope in these exercises you don't need to take any type of help from your parents, because these all exercises are too much easy. You can do by yourself, and keep yourself clean and be care about yourself, about cleaning. Inshallah, we will see you in the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.